can go on RV air conditioners.
Yeah, well, I'm the EasyStart Flex, and I can do both residential and RV. So I'm the bigger brother.
Oh yeah?
You want to get an EasyStart, but you're not sure which one to get? Well, I'm going to tell you the difference between the EasyStart Flex and the EasyStart Breeze. The difference between these two EasyStarts is how you plan on using it. So we're going to go ahead and start with the EasyStart Breeze. This unit is specifically designed for RV air conditioners only, which means it can only work on 120 volt. Now, if you want to be able to run your RV air conditioner on a smaller generator, you're going to want to go ahead and install this. This EasyStart is 40% smaller than the original EasyStart, which means that it's more convenient for you to install in tighter places. It also has an IP65 enclosure, which keeps dust and moisture out, which can protect the EasyStart and your air conditioner. Why would you choose the EasyStart Flex? Well, I'm going to tell you why. So the EasyStart Flex is for both home and commercial use, but really it's a one size fits all. The EasyStart Flex can work on air conditioners up to 6 tons or 72,000 BTUs. It also does 120 volt and 240 volt, which means that you can install this on your residential air conditioner, well pump, or even your RV air conditioner. Both of these EasyStarts have amazing technology. They can reduce the startup amperage up to 75%, which optimizes the AC performance and protects the compressor. They're also made right here in America, right in the USA, and they both have Bluetooth compatibility. Both of these EasyStarts are backed by a rock solid warranty. If you have any questions about the product or installation itself, reach out to us here at Hutch Mountain.